Long ago in a distant land, lived a tribe of great power. They call themselves the On-Prem clan. They thrive in their land with great control and security. Then, everything changed when the public clouds attacked. They were agile, and their clan grew with great speed. The On-Prem clan fought back. The great defenses helped them to hold the ground, but their lack of flexibility held them back from defeating the public clouds. While the public clouds had the advantages of speed and scalability, their attacks were also too complex and costly to gain an upper hand. The clash of clans was deadlocked for years. No side could advance and win the war. As casualties increased every moment, some parties from both clans knew that the war had to be stopped. A secret meeting was held between the two rival clans, with the aim of working together to restore peace to be more than what they used to be. They gathered the sacred element stones from the clans, the agility stone and the elastic stone from the public clouds clan, the control stone and the security stone from the On-Prem clan. Disregarding the practice of their old ways, they combined the element stones and performed the forbidden ritual to summon the Avatar, the master of four elements. Even with great uncertainty in mind, they succeeded. The Avatar emerged from the stones. They call him Hybridito. With his hybrid power, Hybridito disrupted the war. The two clans were shocked, yet their vision became clear, that by working together, the clans can harness their maximum potential for great transformation. Working together as one, the thriving clans advanced beyond their imagination. At the same time, peace was restored. Whoa, okay, our imagination is running wild here. Let's go back to the real world. This is what's happening in an organization.
Young man, go to the cloud, young man.
What for? There's no need to go to the cloud.
Listen to your elders. Go to the cloud.
The traditional way is so much easier. Let's just stick with it.
Oh, young man, go to the cloud, young man.
You are outdated. Listen to me.
Hey? Huh?
ハイブリドクラウドを使うことで、より大きなパワーが得られることを知ってますか? Hybrid Cloud is a journey we like to help you with your specific hosting needs that provides a simple optional on-ramp to cloud services, all with excellent performance at a lower cost. At Cloudify.Asia, we take you from cloudy to certainty.